In today's video, we're going to discuss the Google Cybersecurity Certificate or certification. Stand by, because this video is about to start.
This is the Savage Scientist Ed right here, and I'm writing code in a police car.
So, there's a lot of information out there on the Google Cyber Security Certificate. And before I get the trolls in the comments, I'm going to be calling this thing the Google Cyber Certificate, the Cyber Certification, and just the Google Security Cert. So whatever I call it, just know that those are going to be synonyms used throughout this video. So trolls,
go to hell.
So let's get into why I created this video. I want to put information out here based on my experience when I took the course, and it took me about 3 days to get the certification, but I'm already in the industry. So the prereqs for this Google Cyber Certificate, I would say you need to have computer literacy. That means you should know what a computer is. You should know the components of a computer. Like you should know the motherboard, know what USB is, know what RAM and what's ROM, know what an operating system is, and know what a network is. You don't have to understand the details of how all this stuff works, but just know what it is and know the difference. You should know what the word download means. And if you don't know what download means, that means whenever you copy in a file or copy in data from the internet to your personal computer or to your personal device. So if you don't know what that means, or if you can't explain what download is, then I would say stay away from this course. So the prereqs are computer literacy. So let's talk about who should take this course. I would say this course is designed for people who are looking to get into the industry. This course will have components that's gonna definitely position you it's gonna set you up to be successful at applying for IT jobs. This will not get you a cybersecurity job, but it might get you the help desk job or networking job that's gonna lead you to a cybersecurity job. So having this certification will look better on your resume, because I'm gonna tell you before you even start watching this video, this is not gonna get you a senior level $138,000 a year job. So if that's what you're looking for, then I would say go for the OSCP or an advanced certification in cybersecurity. So let's take a look at the skills necessary to get our Google Cyber Certificate. And we're not going to look at the Security Plus, so let's get that out the way. So to start, we're going to look at the input. The input is going to represent the required skills to get the certification. And we're going to look at these categories. So as we look at the SQL/programming input, which is at skill level 0, when you get done with this certification, you will be at skill level 1. And at that skill level, your SQL/programming knowledge from the certification will not get you to the employable level, which is level 5. And level 10 is $100,000 a year. Level 15 means you're an expert. Level 20 means you're a gangster. And level 25 and above, demonic. And hackers normally start at around level 15 and continue going up as they start to progress with skills. So Kevin Mitnick, all those elite, super, Mr. Robot type hackers would probably be around the gangster to demonic level 20-25. So this certification will get you in the door. And looking at the networking, it'll get you a 3, net administration, Linux, get you 1s, tools will get you a 1, Windows will bring you to a level 2, which you actually should start this certification with a level 2 in Windows. But one area that you can grow in is computer literacy. So you would bring this level 5 into the Google Cyber Cert, and by the time you get done, you'll be a 10. So with a level 10, you could theoretically hit $100,000 a year, but it's gonna be hard. And I would say work on brushing up your skills in these areas. The length of this program or this course is normally 6 months according to what Google expect, but you can finish it in as little as 3 days. I did this course in 3 days, but I'm not trying to brag on what I'm capable of doing. This is all about what you are capable of doing. So take your time with this if you don't understand the material, but if you want something that's going to look good on your resume, fly through the course. And the cost. At the time of me recording this video, Coursera was running around $59. And that comes with a 30-day monthly subscription, and you would have to subscribe to the Google Cybersecurity certification course. And like I said, it is offered by Coursera. They provide a mechanism to take courses for IBM certifications. There's the Microsoft certification, and we have Google. So Coursera is an online learning platform. So let's take a look at the Google Cyber Certificate content. The 8 courses consist of high definition, well-produced videos, reading material, exercises, and quizzes after each section. And here are the names of the courses. First course is Foundations of Cybersecurity. The second one is Playing It Safe, Manage Security Risks. Third course would be Connect and Protect, Networks and Network Security. And the next one would be Tools of the Trade, Linux and SQL. And then we're going to go into Assets, Threats, and Vulnerabilities. And the next course is Sound the Alarm, Detection and Response. And then Automate Cybersecurity with Python, the programming language. And last, Putting it all to work, prepare for a cybersecurity job. So normally in this program, it would start with a video where the instructor would introduce himself or herself and talk about his experience with the job. So that's to show you this. I mean, when you look at a lot of this stuff, it is aimed at telling you the experiences they had from a job. So that is one unique perspective that I haven't seen in any of these certifications, where it's job focused. So there are 8 individual courses, and at the end of each course, there's an exam, and you get 3 chances to take this exam. If you can't pass on the 3rd attempt, then you'll have to wait 24 hours to retake that exam and get another 3 shots. And if you want to rush through this, if you fail the exam, just go to the next module or the next class. That is the best way to knock this course out if you fail one of the end of course exams. So now for the material. The programming part consists of SQL and Python programming. And the Python, and this programming material is great to have if you want to learn Python. And there's also scripting, but it's not going to teach you scripting for any language. This is an overview, and I really think this is just to get you familiar with what Python programming language look like and what SQL looks like. If you get into cybersecurity, then you're going to have to understand, especially on the application development side, what programming languages look like, and for you not to be afraid of programming. And also, this course is going to focus around the Google SIM tool. SIM, that is the Security Event Information Management. That is a tool that most cybersecurity experts use to manage cybersecurity alerts. Let's say someone's account gets locked out. The SIM is gonna notify the security folks that someone locked their account, and it's gonna come as an alert. Alert would just be either a message, email. SIMs has a SIM tool has a lot of capabilities, and it really just look at log events through network traffic. And log events are generated by things that happen, like if you lock your computer, or if a server goes down, someone restarts the server, log events are generated. And a SIM is just one great way of looking at all the log information and all the information generated through events on the system at one convenient place. SIM. So this is another great part. Documenting and reporting. That is great because I didn't know that being in the security field, that it would be so much reporting and writing things out. So you'll be generating reports on. You will be creating incident reports. You'll be doing security design review. People will come to your company, or people on the network might want to know if a certain program is allowed on the network. So it'll be up to the security professionals to determine if this software should be allowed on the network. So that mean that you'll be researching and producing a report, and to report that you will be documenting the work that you did to generate that report. So documenting and reporting is important if you want to be a successful cybersecurity professional. And like I said, writing is a great plus for them to have this in this course. So when compared to Security Plus, I would say Security Plus is a more advanced, more detailed certification, because it's easy to cheat your way through this certification, but with Security Plus, it's a proctored exam, and I would suggest after you get the Google Cybersecurity certification to go for the Security Plus. Anyone could pass the Google Cyber Certificate by just taking this course and passing the unproctored exams. But if you have the Security Plus and the Google Cyber Certificate, you will have an advantage over someone who just has one of those. And if you have an associate's degree, you most likely going to have the advantage over just having the Google Cyber Certificate. But the best option is to have all three. So the purpose of this video is to look at the Google Cybersecurity Certificate. And we're going to look at the total skills you will get after completing this certification. And let's take the average of those skills, starting with the one from SQL programming, and we're going to go down and count and sum all of them until we get to 10 from computer literacy. That's going to give us a total of 21. 21 divided by 8 items is going to give us 2.5. So after completing this course, getting the Google Cyber Certificate, that'll get you about a 2.5. And that's a good start, because now you can continue building on your skills. So if you get the Security Plus, that should get you at about 5. So now you're employable and you could call yourself a noob. But combining or getting both the Google Cyber Certificate and the Security Plus will probably get you at about 5.5. And now you are definitely help desk material. So just for references, let's put the CCNA on here. So now you can see when you get the CCNA, you're getting closer to that $100,000 mark. So just keep working and keep grinding. You will get to the level that you want. You want to be a demon, then you got a lot of work ahead of you. After you pass all 8 courses and you actually get your certification, Google is going to give you an account on Career Circle. I don't know how it is. I don't know anything about Career Circle, but this is the main thing I want you to notice. Just look at what companies are looking for when it comes to hiring in security jobs or security positions. So will Google hire you? They will not hire you if you just have Google Cyber Certification. So get more. So that brings me to what's next. To get more experience, I would suggest setting up a home lab. And like I said earlier, get the Security Plus and don't stop learning. And if you can see down here, it says learn to code. So if you want to learn to code, I got you covered. Click right here and check out my 19 days of programming. It's going to be an entire 31-day series on learning C++. If you're serious about cybersecurity, then now's the time to start with this Google Cyber Certificate. $50, or you could sign up for the free account and work hard and make it through all 8 courses. It's possible that you could knock this out in as little as 3 days. So this is the Savage Scientist Ed, and until I make my next video, peace out.